girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. I'm going to leave the singing to Alicia Keys, but Fastaff, your challenge was to talk about what set this girl's heart on fire in terms of her nursing passions. I'm very lucky to have been able to provide patient care for the last 5 years. I've cared for patients in all different capacities. I've gotten to be a traveler the last 4 years. I truly consider it an honor and a blessing to be able to care for people at their most vulnerable and to hopefully alleviate their fear. That's what nursing is for me. But the thing that's really setting my heart on fire and making me excited these days is partly patient care, but more so it's supporting my fellow nurses. That's what's making me really excited, particularly new nurses. My first year of nursing, I was terrified. The first year went by in this weird vortex of a blur, and I really wish that I could go back and be a little more vocal about the fears I had, especially working in a level 1 trauma ICU facility. I just felt very overwhelmed, and my goal is to help other nurses in a similar situation, new nurses, not feel that level of fear. If there's anything I can do to provide education to them, resources to them, support for them. Like I said, I've been a traveler for the last 4 years. I do see myself becoming an educator at some point in the future. And the timings of this challenge and the fact that it coincides with Nurses Week is particularly awesome because I'm launching a new YouTube channel this Nurses Week that will serve as a resource to current nurses, people in nursing school, all kinds of different tips, and form a support network in which nurses share their stories and feel validated and feel seen by other nurses. And I'm also in the process of writing a book for nurses who are in school and as newly out of school. And hopefully that will support as a support system for them. My best advice on applying for jobs, seeking externships, getting their first position, getting the most out of their orientation, what common mistakes to avoid, what kind of unspoken, in between the lines stuff that will help hopefully make their first year of nursing a lot smoother. So yeah, that's what's setting my nursing heart on fire these days, and I'm very excited to see what the future holds.